Good afternoon everyone, it's Behzad here from Hey World Coder. I have created another video series of how to building a login app for your user and how to add your Google Map to your Android Studio project. In this video we are going to learn how to build a splash screen, how to set up some user interfaces, how to set up login and register page for your user, and how to retrieving the user's name from the database and adding Google Maps API to our application, and the end is getting device's current location. As you see, I've already built my app. If I'm going to show you how it works, as you saw, the app started with this splash screen. Now we are in our welcome page, and if the user clicks on go online, then the page it will start going to your Google Map page, which the marker shows up Sydney in Australia here. We have set up our login page, getting the user and password from our user. If they do not have an account, they can go to register page and ask for their full name, email and password and let them register to our app. We are in our welcome page. Here we'll retrieve our name to the user, and here if the user push the button, it goes on our Google Map pages. As always, we are going to go through it step by step together, and along the way I will explain every step we are going to take. If you do have any question, do not forget to leave it in a comment and I'll respond them as quick as I can. Other than that, I will see you all in next video. Thanks for your time and watching.